do too?
What's up?
Buy another Mustang.
I will.
Yeah.
But this is my first car. This is my baby, and it's a Roush, so I'm keeping it. Y'all, so the Darkfleet Roush, or I mean, not Darkfleet Roush yet, but the Roush died just now, I think. There's this loud chirp sound from the engine bay, and yeah, that bitch is. The battery's not dead either, even though I brought the portable battery charger, so. Beautiful times. I guess something had to force me to fix this car, and now here we are. Shit's broken. And yeah. I know this is a blessing in disguise of, you know, God stepping in and being like, all right, here, let me break this shit so you actually fix it or get something new. So just being optimistic. Haven't called nobody. I'm literally just standing here making YouTube videos. But yeah, this shit is dead. RIP Stormy. That's the name of the Roush, Stormy. And yeah, now I gotta figure out getting an engine for this thing somehow, fixing it up. We could really start on this Roush rebuild now. Shoot, this is actually so crazy though. I always felt like this car was just gonna last, and now here I am. Street lights just came on. Man, oh man, now I have to figure out getting home and towing this bitch, because the registration is way past due. Let me show y'all. 2024 March. So can't really just let this bitch stay right here, because they will tow it, and it's not very close to the curb either. So I gotta figure that shit out too. Y'all, the tow truck just pulled up, so we about to see what's up. Man, can't wait to look back on these videos though.
You know the other thing you can do too?
What's up?
Buy another Mustang.
I will.
Yeah.
But this is my first car. This is my baby, and it's a Roush, so I'm keeping it.
Oh, why don't you do that? Oh, right there, eh?
Yep. That's where I always park it at.
Another car's gonna go in here.
Yeah. Because they be racking up tickets on this car when I leave it on the street.
They want your money.
Hell yeah.
All of a sudden?
Yeah.
All of a sudden they started coming in there. Like,
That's because you're helping fund that freeway.
Oh yeah, fuck that freeway.
Yeah.
That freeway sucks out here.
Potholes, not to mention.
If y'all are from Lancaster and y'all know on the 14, they fucked up that freeway, man. So, oh look, my brother's pulling up too. And get a tow truck.
Tell you what, I thought I seen your car. Did you?
Over by Shell.
Yeah, I feel like it went past. It didn't go past Panda, did it?
Nah, but I've heard there's another car that looks like my car out here.
Yeah. I was like, is that the car's car?
Nah.
Right now, it's like, that was the car's car.
Yeah, nah. To start on the Roush rebuild series, that's what I'm calling this. So, trying to work with brands to help rebuild the car, the side, everything. Yeah, the phone? Yeah. I didn't get the 17 Pro Max or nothing, the crazy one, but this a regular 17. Finally got a new phone. If y'all don't know, my phone broke, and so I was out of a phone for like a month trying to do all my Darkfleet stuff, but you know, Darkfleet is ran off a phone and I had no phone, so it was a little depressing moment, but we back, y'all.